Welcome to chartforecaster.com. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at the SPDR Gold Shares Chart, GLD. If you are new to chartforecaster.com, hit that subscribe button. We're just firing this thing up, and we're going to go over the charts really quick because there's a lot of business we need to discuss. And I'm going to show you guys how chartforecaster.com surgically, folks, really breaks down these charts and lets you know concrete dates and times to be on the lookout for. So hit that subscribe button. What I'm seeing here is there could be some potential Elliott wave theory, and this is suggesting that once we get up towards 0.5, that we could be nearing the end of this impulse wave. And there's also somewhat of a double top here. Now, if this thing breaks these patterns, which it very well could, because they're very shallow patterns in the sense that they are only about a month old, a couple weeks old. If this is a multi-month pattern, I think it would be a lot harder to break, but it is what it is. We're also seeing a harmonic shark pattern here, and I think that there could be double tops here. But like I mentioned before, if this pattern breaks, we could be gearing up to see some consolidation to maybe build out a very nice ascending triangle, something like this. If this breaks, and we could see prices rally once again. But for now, what I'm seeing, excuse me, is that the price of silver might just need to take a breath because this thing is way out in left field. We're seeing the price way out, far from the Ichimoku cloud. So we might need to see price come back in towards this 50 moving average, somewhere in there. So with that said, let's just see what Chart Forecaster has to say about it. And what we're going to do, excuse me, is pick this swing high date, October 20th, 2025, 10/20/2025, and we'll let the software do all the heavy lifting for us. And wow, I mean, guys, you can just see how well Chart Forecaster works. So it predicted back before December 12th, that there'd be a volatility spike here, that this would be a momentum peak area, that there would be a reversal or a market lower high here. And you can see that there was a reversal. Green candle, red, boom, price shot up. It predicted when the bearish momentum would set in here. We just don't know how extreme these moves will be, but we'll know when they're about to happen. Now, this is really crazy because it predicted this insane volatility spike here. It predicted a momentum peak area, and this is all very easy to understand because it's all color-coded down here, and you just look at the arrow, orange, momentum peak area. We've got a reversal here, market low, market high, and a common reversal point. And you can see, boom, price took off. Bearish or bullish momentum starts building, so on and so forth. Here's another excellent volatility spike breakout prediction that it made. And it does this well in advance at a better rate than I think any other software that's available to the public. I'm thinking about just leasing this or licensing it to institutions at this point, but it's $9.99 a month. And what is it saying going forward? Like, that's the biggest thing. Well, I'll give you some free alpha today. So it's looking like November 12th, or excuse me, November. We're in January. Oh my gosh. January 14th, 1900 hours, momentum peak area. Within a couple hours of that. January 18th, we're looking at market lows or highs, and we're also looking at a common reversal point at about 2000 hours. And it's important for you guys to understand that this is all UTC time. I'm trading on UTC time here. This is designed in UTC time. So what you want to do is head on over to chartforecaster.com, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on these types of alpha videos that I do. And if you want to run with chartforecaster.com yourself to get all these alpha dates and times, it's $9.99 a month to know when the markets are going to possibly move. Always, guys, consult a financial advisor when it comes to trading and things like that. This is just a tool just as much as the trend lines in TradingView or any of these indicators for that matter. So we'll see you guys on the next video.